Hi everyone, my name is Tony Fish and I am a Mechatronics Engineer. The purpose of my videos is to tell you about my daily work as a maintenance engineer or simply about my day-to-day life. First, I'm going to talk about my first years after graduating. My first job was in the automotive industry, my second in the medical industry, and my current job is in the mining industry. But now, let's talk about my first year, my first job. In the automotive industry where I worked, the goal was to manufacture 86 for luxury cars. The process began with obtaining the vehicle internal wiring diagram. From there, it went to the production line, and the operators handled the manufacturing process. Dura- During my time there, I was part of the manufacturing department, where we controlled the materials used, work instruction, equipment manuals, and best practice for SIG manufacturing. I would say that the experiences was beneficial because it was the first time I have been part of a multidisciplinary team where emergencies were a constant concern. Before leaving that job, I joined a new project to create a wiring harness area. It was quite a challenge. However, my goal was always to work in maintenance, which led me to my second job in the medical industry. And sorry for my English, I'm just trying to improve it. My second job was in the medical industry. When I started, I was really excited because as a mechatronic engineer, one of my goals was to be part of the maintenance department. I accepted the position as a maintenance technician on the night shift, which was crazy because it meant working 6 days a week, and to be honest, the other shifts left a mess for a maintenance to clean up. My first day was interesting because right from the start they asked me to try to fix a machine without help, which was kind of a test because after that they told me they wanted to see how I would act in a high pressure situation. Well, the speed of the machine that made face masks is insane, and despite that, the machines have to be fixed as quickly as possible, or the lost production is blamed on maintenance. In this job, I learned what it means to make the impossible possible. After 6 months, I was transferred to the second shift, which was much more manageable in terms of sleep schedules. 4 months later, I managed to get transferred to the first shift, the morning shift, where I was assigned to the clean room, which is what they call the surgical area. Fixing machine without getting dirty sounds impossible, no? Well, in the clean room, I learned how to fix it that way. And you know what? At that company, corrective maintenance was the norm. Machines would break down one after another before you knew it. But they, I guess, that's a part of the job when the company decides to cut costs. And finally, the day came when I was accepted into the mining industry, which I'll talk about in the next videos. Goodbye.